Mastering the Art of the Perfect Push-Up, a step-by-step guide. Push-ups are one of the most effective exercises for building upper body strength, core stability, and endurance. However, executing them with proper form is crucial to maximize their benefits and prevent injury. In this guide, we'll break down the correct technique for performing push-ups and provide tips for getting the most out of your workout. Step 1. Get into position. Start by positioning yourself face down on the floor with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Your arms should be straight, and your hands should be directly under your shoulders. Keep your feet together and toes pointed towards the ground. Engage your core muscles to maintain a straight line from your head to your heels. Step 2. Lowering phase. Lower your body towards the ground by bending your elbows. Keep your elbows close to your body at a 45-degree angle to your torso. Lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the ground, maintaining a straight back and neck throughout the movement. Avoid sagging your hips or arching your back. Step 3. Pushing phase. Push through your palms to straighten your arms and return to the starting position. Focus on pressing the floor away from you and fully extending your elbows without locking them. Keep your core engaged to maintain stability, and exhale as you push up. Tips for perfecting your push-up technique. 1. Maintain proper alignment. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels throughout the movement. Avoid sagging or arching your back. 2. Engage your core. Tighten your abdominal muscles to stabilize your body and protect your lower back. 3. Controlled movements. Lower and raise your body in a slow and controlled manner, focusing on using your muscles rather than momentum. 4. Breathing. Inhale as you lower your body towards the ground, and exhale as you push back up. 5. Hand placement. Experiment with hand placement to target different muscle groups. Wider hand placement targets the chest more, while closer hand placement targets the triceps. 6. Modify as needed. If you're new to push-ups or need to adjust the difficulty, you can start by performing push-ups from your knees or using an elevated surface like a bench or countertop. To see improvements in strength and endurance, aim to incorporate push-ups into your workout routine 2 to 3 times per week. Start with a manageable number of repetitions and gradually increase as you get stronger. Remember, quality is more important than quantity, so focus on maintaining proper form throughout each set. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, incorporating push-ups into your workout routine will help you build strength, improve stability, and enhance overall fitness levels.